on, everybody? My name is Eddie and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at the unit trying to process some of the things that I got off of this Target pallet. I love these Target pallets, man. You get them for a good price most of the time. There was one that I overpaid for and went up to, I think, 26% of retail. I got myself caught up in the bidding war, man, and I'm pretty sure I make money off of that pallet, but not much. For the most part, I usually get them between 10 and, I don't know, 15% of retail. Sometimes I might go closer to 20. This one, yeah, let's switch over. I got for a really good price. I want to say 17, 1800. Either way, my cost of goods is about $1.60 something cent per item. And this is the first two boxes. I got two more boxes sitting right there that I still got to go through. A lot of products left in there. This is some stuff under there. I think some of that though is from a different pallet, but lots of stuff. A lot of this stuff I already have listed, so I can either replenish the quantities, or sometimes, depending on what the items are, I'll redo the listing and make it instead of a single, I'll make it a double or a triple if it just makes more sense. But let's just look at some of this stuff. You got some L'Oreal Evercream. These things sell really good. The Native, that always sells good. Different types of Palmer's lotion, that always sells good. I mean, there's just all types of stuff in here. A lot of Old Spice. And guys, I do not have a problem shipping big containers that have liquid. So like these, even these, I've been selling these. I've been lotting them up in lots of 2s and 3s. I do not, because I know how to ship these things. I wrap them up really good. I tape them. Usually I see how Target taped them up. This is one good, and this lot actually was a used like new pallet. So when you get the like new pallets, they have stickers, but they don't have these big yellow stickers. They got smaller stickers. The used pallets, pretty much everything comes with these yellow stickers. Sometimes they'll put them in these bags and the sticker will be on the outside. For the most part, it does involve a little bit more work, and you do have to be more careful with these pallets because sometimes the item been switched out and some of the stuff has actually been used, which is why it's called used. But for the price and everything like that, for the most part, all of this stuff is still new and sellable condition. Like and as far even expired, there haven't really been many expired items. So I've been very happy with these, man. I usually get them at a cheaper price, and it's usually more of what I want. I want health and beauty stuff, and it's usually more of what I want. So back here, you got some Cetaphil. Over here, I already got one of those listed. Those sell fairly decently. These definitely sell good. These Kristen S curling irons. There's another one, the black one under there. Those sell like super fast. These all sell. These are all those tree huts. I usually lock those up, man. Those sell really, really fast. Go some Olay products back there. 9 times out of 10, those are new. And honestly, it's a 10. These sell pretty good. Usually what I do though with the stuff that's not eBayable, I guess, first I see what I can send to Amazon. If I can send it to Amazon, and if it makes sense to send it to Amazon, I'll send it to Amazon. If not, I'll send it to or I'll sell it on eBay. If not, if I can't do either one of those, I'll do either Mercari or Facebook. Some of the damaged stuff. Oh, and under here, this is a lot of the makeup. A lot of makeup down in here. I always put the makeup in one box and until I get done sorting everything, and then I sort the makeup by itself. One thing I wanted to point out, this Heritage, this company right now is going on platforms, eBay and Amazon. On eBay, they're either claiming that you're selling counterfeit, or they're just giving you a Vero, and on Amazon they're sending out letters. I had them take down a listing on eBay, said it was counterfeit. It wasn't. Initially I thought it was an eBay issue, but then I received a letter from them about some other products of theirs that I got on Amazon. They sent the whole list. I'm gonna make a video and put that list of products up. Interestingly enough, all they did was send a letter, and it literally only got 3 products on Amazon, and they just got to the fulfillment center. So that's kind of weird. But be on the lookout for those Heritage Store products. The company is Nutri something. But like I said, I'll make a video. They will take you down on eBay though, for sure. But anyway, yeah, A lot of good stuff. A lot of these things I already got up. A lot of these things I'll add quantities. A lot of these things I will, you know, take my listing and redo it. These sell really good too. There's like 4 of these back there. I'm gonna lock those up. That down there, Pacifica. Those sell pretty good. I usually lock those up to sell them. The L'Oreal shampoo. And I mean, I'm not gonna go through these today, but a bunch more stuff. I actually just sold one of these, so all I gotta do is replenish that quantity. Literally just sent one of those out, and I say yesterday. So lots of more stuff in here. Another one of those. More of the tree huts. These boxes are usually jam-packed full of stuff. Again, this is Target pallet from B Stock. And right here behind me are 2 pallets of damaged makeup. Matter of fact, so 2 pallets of damaged makeup. They came double stacked, really cheap. My cost of goods breaks down to 16 cents per piece. You know, mostly it's dirty. Most of the SPF is expired, and a lot of the eyeshadows might be broken up, but that stuff people buy that stuff on Facebook, believe it or not. But a lot of the stuff is still brand new. It's just dirty. You got to clean it, man. Some of it's dried out. I mean, for the most part. I already kind of estimated to myself the pallets themselves together with shipping was under $1,000, so like 900 and something. I always go down to the lowest amount, so I said to myself, well, heck, even if I only had 1,000 sellable pieces and I made $1, right? I would make my money back, $1,000. Of course, it's going to be more than that, but I always kind of do the worst case scenario type of thing. But it's way too much work to be only making $1 per piece on. I've already gone through a few boxes of these and got a bunch of it listed, and for the most part, that stuff has been good. You know, you got some nails and things like that. I mean, those things sell on eBay. They don't sell for a crap ton, but you lot them up and they sell. I'm gonna go through the SPF that's expired. I'll lot those up, and people will buy them on Facebook for whatever reason. I don't know. Just let them know it's expired. I mean, they pretty much still in good condition. Some of the nails that came with glue, the glue was kind of hardened, but I bought some real like 100 cheap little glues on Amazon, and I just put them with the nails. Even with the glue added, the glue itself per glue and the item only takes me to about 50 cents into the item itself, right? 50 cents into the item itself. And for what the items are selling for, even if I lot them up, it's negligible. So, but yeah, I'm honestly thinking about getting 2 more pallets, cleaning them up, sorting it, getting the good stuff out, and making some reseller lots to sell to you guys. I don't know. Depends. That'll be next month. I already spent my budget for this month. I got a budget that I have every month, and it's kind of, I discipline myself to only spend a certain amount unless something comes that's a can't miss type of deal. And I haven't come across a can't miss type of deal yet, so I stick to my budget every month. So I gotta wait until next month before I re-up on those. But I'm honestly, if they got more, I might get 2 more and go through and make some lots and resell them, because at 16 cents I can still put them together, and even with the stuff I might throw away, as long as I can stay within 50 cents per piece, I can just double it and make it $1 per piece, and you'll still be getting a good deal anyway. So I don't know. Either way, I really like this stuff because I think with the coming issues that we're going to be having in this economy, whether we do in a recession or whatever, these are everyday items, you know. And while I do have slow days, for the most part, my store is doing pretty well because these are consumables, you know, lotion, soap, shampoo, all that type of stuff. People use it, it goes, and they gotta use it again, right? And if you can provide it to them at a nice discount or a nice deal, you're going to keep selling it. And I think that some of the people who are having issues with things being slow and sales being down, you know, they just might not be selling the things that people need. It might be more like a want type of thing, right? And if people's money is tight, wants kind of go to the side, but they need stuff like this. And if they can get it cheaper online, then they can get it in the store. They're going to buy it from you, and you can still make a decent profit and some healthy margins as well, right? But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, man. Still got 2 more boxes to go through. Got all this stuff right here. One day I'll tell y'all the story of all this American Standard stuff. And this ain't even nowhere near what I had. Such a headache, man. Such a headache. Either way, man, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so that you're notified next time I upload a video.